Yeah, so we've set up Moodle, which is sweet, and we can log in and refresh the page. Now, I'm actually back on my local machine, not in the VM anymore, so little things have changed, like my um, my URL. But I wanted to show you something cool, which is instead of that phpmyadmin, which you could probably tell I'm not really that used to, I don't even use it, you can use Phpstorm to do a similar thing. And it's awesome because it's kind of integrated with your code. So here I've just opened up the Moodle site root, which is why we see the normal Moodle files here. I've got a config file, and that's pointing to Postgres now in this case, but similar, just username and password there. And I can integrate with the database from here. So all I have to do is get a new data source. This is Postgres in this case, and basically put in the details from config in here. So let's do that. User is Postgres, password is password, database is dbname Moodle, and test that. That works. Sweet. And that's created that new one there. And then I can go down into all the schema tables and find that, scroll across, and here we are. So it's just an alternative. It's the same thing. I mean, it's just showing you our tables. I can double click a table and kind of open it up here, and again we see our our user details. We got a guest and admin. So I would I'd recommend it. I mean, it's really good. You go phpstorm EAP, and you can get the early access program one for free. So you can do it for free as well, and yeah, I mean, there's nothing to lose. So I mean, that's what I'll be using in this course, just so I can show you things quickly. But yeah, ultimately, it really doesn't matter.